During the Christopher from Kingdom video. Look, here's my bruise I was talking about. And here's the trophies. Now, go over this so you can see the video. So here we go.
Something's coming.
Genetic power has been unleashed.
You can't put it back in the box.
Yeah. Move.
Rated PG-13.
That was one.